Good morning, Great Britain, and welcome to Channel 4 Breaking News. Yesterday, the President of the United States, Barack Obama, presented a speech of poverty and told us about Kiara, Roger, and every other kid in the Harlem area. He told us about how every community is different, with different needs and different approaches, but they have a few things in common. Today with me in the studio we have Zoe, who are our Minister of Children, Integration and Social Relationships. She would like to tell us about one of Obama's main focuses, which was a program called the Harlem Children's Zone. And Zoe, would you please like to tell me what this program is about?
Yeah, of course. The Harlem Children's Zone is a program where students, teachers, administrators, parents and the community are changing the odds in the Harlem neighborhood. It is an organization which have a lot of different programs that is focused on children in the early childhood up until high school and college. They only have one program which has a main focus on adults.
So you are actually saying that we got to help American teenagers get ahead?
Now, it's one thing to say that we should help more Americans get ahead, but talk is cheap. We've got to actually make sure that we do it. Obama wants to work with anybody who is willing to lay out some concrete ideas to create jobs and help more middle-class families find security in today's economy.
Okay, that's about every American child, and no matter who they are, so they can be a part of the Harlem Children's Zone. And Mette, would you please like to tell me about this economy Zoe is talking about?
Now the good news is that thanks to the hard work and sacrifice of the American people all across the country over the last 5 years, our economy has grown stronger. Our business have now created more than 8 million new jobs since the depth of the recession.
So you are saying that the US is in an economic recovery?
Yes, exactly. We acted right. The leading CEOs and the Republicans and the Democrats agree to us. We have to restore on employment policy, but the public side should not expect the government to help you. They have to do something by themselves at first.
With us today we have Sophie from the Deaf and Dumb School in Harlem. She has been deaf and dumb for about 11 years now. She's a part of the Harlem Children's Zone program. And Sophie, tell us about your everyday. And Sophie, we have talked to your teacher. Sabine, you are the teacher of the deaf and dumb. How has the school developed through the last years?
The focus on the poverty in the area has become larger and it is still growing. We now have more resources to make sure every child has the opportunity of a bright future. At the Deaf and Dumb School we feel a great development and are very happy. No, overexcited would be the perfect word, and so are our students.
And Sabine, what is your opinion about Obama's speech?
This speech meant a lot for many people, especially teachers and students at the school are very satisfied with the important remarks that he pointed out. Focus on the problem is the only thing that will help.
Thank you for tonight, everybody, and see you
next time. Var det rigtigt?
Okay, det er fint.
Og så en slutning.